Changing your payout method on Ameris Bank is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payout preferences are updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Ameris Bank website and log into your online banking account using your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings or profile section in the main menu. This is where you can manage your personal information and payout preferences. Step 3. Select payout method. In account settings, find the option for payout method or payment preferences. Click on this option to view your current payout methods. Step 4. Choose a new payout method. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SR to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm changes. After selecting your new payout method, review your changes and confirm them. You may receive a confirmation email or notification once the update is successful. Make sure to check your payout method regularly to ensure it remains accurate. If you encounter any issues, contact Ameris Bank customer support for assistance.